What up? How are you today? I hope you are excited as I am, because today we are going to talk about lifestyle design, and it is my favorite concept in the whole world, and when I figured it out, completely changed my life. And it is really the whole point of everything I'm doing, is to teach people how to design their life. It's a concept that we are not taught as kids, and we are given no tools to do, and it's a disaster, and I am set on a path to change that for everybody. So let's get into it. We are taught to go to school and build our career and figure out what our interests are, and we spend all of this time focusing on the busy part of our life. We spend so little time actually focusing on the beauty of life and what we want our life to look like and the natural design of life. But I want to ask you, is this really the right way to go about it? Is there a better way to do this? Is this busy, chaotic, stressful, overwhelming life that we've built as a society the right thing to do? If you haven't already guessed it, I'm telling you there's a better way. It's called lifestyle design. What if we changed the way we looked at our lives? What if we designed our lives the way we design our weddings? What if we dreamt big, came up with plans, figured out what was really important, what really mattered to us in our lifestyle, and focused on that, creating that life, opposed to just focusing on our career and allowing everything else to happen to us? So here's the deal. You have one life to live. You can waste it and allow life to continue to happen to you and allow things to make you upset and sad. You can always wonder, what if I had done this? Or what would happen if I went there or met this person? Or you could actually choose to do it. You could choose to design your life and make that happen. You have the control to design your life. It is up to you. Nobody else is calling the shots. So I challenge you today, take some time to actually think about the life that you want to have and start creating it. Write it down on a piece of paper, get active, get out there, start doing things to design the life and have the life you actually want to have. I'm always here for you. I want to help you and support you through this process. So comment below, like this, share this with a friend you think might find it useful. Let me know how I can help you and support you. I'm here for you. Thank you. Love you lots. I'll talk to you soon.